먼저 너게 왔던 거 Don't you know that I was a clown Don't dare push on
It's been fixed now. So however, won't fix the battery. Okay. So because the battery is not yet fixed, when you're on it right now, it's not going to turn on. But everything is intact right now. This is also fixing ready to fix the hind tires and everything. This is sort of the, I think the spare tire. That's a spare tire. That's the spare tire. This is the seats being fixed. So they would fix the seats to the then I connect these things over here. Sorry, I didn't show it all this ones over connect them. And the seats will be fixed. So it's quite a very nice seat. Comfortable one, of course, for this type of motor. So fixing the seats. And this one is also preparing to add the whole thing to it. It's not an easy task, you know. It's not an easy task. Yes, it's not easy. I can tell you it's not easy because come to think of it, when because building this thing, see, just look at it, and it's supposed to look like this particular thing from scratch, and see, oh my God, see, people are really talented. People know the technical know-how. It's not just about probably going to school or something like that. But what he's doing, I can't do it. I'm telling you. Go here with fixing tires. Fixing tires. Tires are wow. So you are going to do the same thing to this place. The shaft. So I'm connecting it. And down the edge, so it works with that. So when it rotates here, and I move for the engine. Okay. So That's what they are fixing in the shorts. Making sure everything is tight. It ain't easy. It's not easy. It's not easy. So the body, so we know about the body. What's it?
Side cover.
Side cover. Okay, that's the side cover to protect the this thing. So that's the side cover. Means so that's the side cover being fixed. Side cover being fixed. That's the side cover. So they are going to do it to the other side. So the other side. Yeah. Alright. That's good. That's fine. Are we for the handbrake? Okay, so fixing the handbrake. We be battery seat. It's the handbrake and battery seat never go. And battery seat no na. Over connecting a battery. Ah, okay, no. Okay. So that's the. So what I asked, I was thinking because it's here in like the same distance with the battery seat. I thought probably the handbrake is gonna be connected somewhere or the other to the battery. So it was like, no, it's not going to be connected to the battery, but rather it stands on its own. So it holds the, like how normal handbrakes do, it holds the device like that, the whole machine like that. The only thing that would be connected to the battery that for now that I know is the positive and negative terminals. Yeah, so that's it. The other side of the side cover being fixed. Yeah, that's the other one being fixed, side cover. So what is fixing now is the one that holds the side covers in place for getting them, aside the normal screws they did. This one is the main one that holds the back. So it's perfect engineering. Perfect engineering right there. Time when I'll start so loose. Like time when I'll start so loose. You keep lights, is it long? When did you start learning?
1 year.
1 year. So okay. Now then now yeah first.
That's me.
Okay. So according to you, started a year ago, and that's when he learned how to do this. But then previously was fixing motors, so he had the technical abilities to actually manufacture these things. So probably knows the equipment and everything in addition to it. Yeah.